Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Intakes. If you are new, hello, I'm Divya, and in today's video, as the title must have already told you, I'm going to be sharing with you all my review on this Base Story foundation from Flicka K. This is a creme foundation and we're going to cover the pros, the cons and the best way to apply this. Everything will be there in this video, and alright, let's start. First, let's start with price versus quantity, shade range and the packaging. So price of this foundation is $8.99 for 9 grams of product, and needless to say there are always discounts available on this product, so don't need to pay the full price. For shade range, they are available in 5 different shades, and for the packaging, this comes in an outer carton box with all the details about ingredient list, manufacturing and expiry date, everything mentioned at the back. And on the inside you get a sleek packaging like this with a full size mirror inside, and in my opinion this mirror is slightly magnifying so you can see your makeup in good detail. And on the packaging itself there is also details of expiry date, so just in case if you lose your outer carton box, you'll still have details of the expiry date on this as well. So let's start with the pros first, and the best pro of this foundation is the coverage. This is a super duper proper full coverage foundation, to an extent that when you use this with your fingers, the coverage is very much comparable to any concealer out there. You can see that for yourself in the demo section, that when I used this with my fingers on my hyperpigmentation, this just covered it all. I didn't use any concealer or any color corrector. I have this in shade 03 Caramel, and this has a bit of yellow and orange undertone in it, which helps in cancelling out the pigmentation, but the coverage of this foundation is just so good. And now to check the blendability and how easy it is to use, I have tried blending this foundation with 3 different ways. First is with fingers, second is with brush, and third is with a beauty sponge from the Flicka Cosmetics itself. So when I tried blending out this with my fingers, it was easy to blend, and also it gave me the maximum coverage with my fingers, because of course कुछ भी ऐसी चीज़ नहीं थी जो प्रोडक्ट को एब्जॉर्ब करे. So the maximum pigment and maximum coverage अचीव अगर आपको करनी है तो आपको इसको फिंगर से यूज़ करना होगा. However, if you ask me कि क्या पूरे फेस पर फिंगर से ब्लेंड हो जाएगा, तो मेरे ओपिनियन में हो तो जाएगा, पर थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होगा, क्योंकि पूरे फेस पर फिंगर से स्प्रेड करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होगा और पैची लगने के चांसेस हैं. तो वहीं पर आप फिंगर्स का यूज़ करो जहाँ आपको ज़्यादा कवरेज चाहिए, लाइक टारगेटेड एरियाज, अंडर आइज है, यहाँ पर हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन है, वे यू वांट द मैक्सिमम कवरेज, देयर ओनली यू यूज़ योर फिंगर्स, एंड फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द फेस यू कैन गो ahead with a sponge or a brush. Second, when I tried blending this out with a brush, it was very easy to blend and spread. However, the coverage got reduced ever so slightly. So if you want something more skin like or more natural looking and not something very full coverage, then you can go ahead with a brush. And third, I used a makeup sponge to blend my foundation, and the makeup sponge that I've used is also from Flicka Cosmetics. This is a very soft, squishy, latex free makeup sponge which just swells up to almost double its size, and also it comes with a container to hold, and the functionality of this container is really good because it has got these holes at the bottom to maintain the air supply even if you store this sponge wet in this, so it will not develop any mold because हवा लगती रहेगी और सूख जाएगा वो. The finish that I got after blending this with a makeup sponge was more dewy and more skin-like. However, the coverage, to my surprise, was maintained. So if you want to maintain the coverage and yet make it look more skin-like, then makeup sponge is the way to blend this foundation. यूज़ करने पर बिल्कुल भी ये केकी क्लिंजी नहीं लग रहा था, which is a really good thing. And if I talk about the longevity of this foundation, it did lasted on my face for about 3 to 4 hours nicely and decently. I've used this foundation today. It's been 2 hours और I'm sweating like a pig right now because film करने के लिए पंखा कूलर सब बंद करके बैठना पड़ता है. And you can see no cracking whatsoever, and 42 degrees Celsius, no fan, no cooler, no AC. It is holding on really well. And now let's talk about the cons of this foundation, and that is it requires a good skin prep. If you have dry skin, you will need a good cream based moisturizer. मैंने इस फाउंडेशन को 3 बार ट्राई किया था बिफोर गिविंग दिस रिव्यू, और जब मैंने वाटर बेस्ड मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ करा, ये यहाँ पर मेरे जो 2 ड्राई पैचेस हैं, लाइक अराउंड माई माउथ आई हैव ड्राई पैचेस, तो वहाँ पर ये बहुत ही बुरी तरीके से क्लिंग किया था और बिल्कुल ब्लेंड नहीं हो रहा था और पाउडर बन के सेटल हो गया था. एंड व्हेन आई यूज्ड अ क्रीम बेस्ड मॉइस्चराइज़र, then it didn't happen. So a good skin prep is very crucial for this foundation. If you have textured skin, use a good smoothing primer. If you have dry skin, use a good hydrating moisturizer or a good hydrating primer. Then only this foundation will blend smoothly on your. In my opinion, this is a really good full coverage foundation. You can give a try. It sits well, it blends well, and also it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. So yes, you can give this a try, but just make sure that you prep your skin well if you don't want to dislike this foundation. However, this is a full coverage foundation, so if you want to make it everyday friendly, then you can mix it with a little bit of moisturizer. Alright, that was it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if there's anything you want to ask about this foundation, about this product, I'm here to answer all of those in the comment section below. And yes, if you find this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to my channel. I will love to see you in my next one. Bye bye and take care.